So now in this tutorial we'll talk about the routing back and history. So now we can navigate to the detail page and we can see the information based on what we click, but actually there is no way to back to the invoice page. I mean that we can go by clicking that here, but actually that is not the proper way. So that is the reason we will create the navigation button so that we can back to that page. So now what we have to do, so first of all, which page we will update. So basically we will update that page like from where we will back. So that is the invoice list. So we have to back from this page, so we have to update this page, and this is the detail page. So if we go to the view and details, so now you can see the title and intro. So now what we will do, we will create, like we will there will be the title that is fun, but that is the object header. So this is the object header and that is the title. So here actually we have to add the navigation bar. So in the title, so here that is the show navigate button, it should be true. Okay, so just refresh. Now you can see the navigation button is appear, but it will not work. We have to create the function. So on button press, so when we press on that button, navigate back, so when we press that button, then actually what it will call this function. So we have to create that function so that actually it will go. So we know that all type of logic and that function we have to create in the respective controller. So here actually we have to create the function, but we also have to add a new package that is for the history, because we will also show the history as well, and that is the SAP UI core dot routing history. So here, as we mentioned here, so we have to add here as well. So now actually this on function, that is another function. So now here actually we have to add our function, that is on nav back. So when I click here, then actually it will call this function. So just for the testing purpose, that is also part of the debugging, like console dot log. If we like, let's see what happened. So if we just refresh, click here, so now you can see that it is showing. So that means that when we click, so you can see that once we click, actually it is appearing here. So basically that is calling, so it's good. So now we have to at that constant history at history dot get instant. Okay, so another is, we can just make it little bit wider. So here then constant s vious hash, then it is history dot get previous hash, just for the previous history, previous hash. Okay, so there's a, so now we have two logic, because we know that all logic, for all logic we have to use that controller as is not undefined, then window history, it will go window history window dot history dot go, where that current -1. Okay, else that constant router, now it will route, where it will route this dot get owner component dot get router, then router dot navigate to, it will go to the back page is the overview is the nothing, then true. So now let's see what happened. So now you can see that if you click here, you can go back and you can come here again. So that's it. So let's continue with the next tutorial is on about the custom controls. Thank you.